In this video, you'll learn why books are important for your research, how to find them, and what to do with them. Books are the next step after you've found background information. They go deeper into a subject, and they're often written for non-scholars, so they take the time to explain things and tend to use everyday language. Books also prepare you for your next step, which is usually finding scholarly journal articles. If your topic involves the humanities or social sciences, books are an important resource and are often your best option. Use the Books icon in our library search tool to search for both print and electronic books in our collection. You'll see the library search box in the center of the library homepage. Click the Books icon to limit your search to books and ebooks. If you find a book with a location that says General Collection, a call number, and a status, it's a print book that's located on the second floor of the library. You'll need the call number to locate the book on the shelf, so make note of it and take it with you to the second floor. If the status is available, the book should be on the shelf and ready to be borrowed. If you need help finding the book, just ask a library staff member. The shelves on the library's second floor have big letters that show where each section is located, and white cards that list the range of call numbers in each shelving unit. Once you've found your book, look at the books around it because they'll cover similar topics and may be useful for your research. You can do something similar in library search by using the Browse the Shelf feature. Click on a print book's title, then scroll down to Browse the Shelf and click on it to see neighboring items from the library's collection. Use the arrows near the left and right margins to move in either direction along the virtual shelf. Remember that this feature only works for print books in Elmira College's collections. If a book doesn't have a call number, but instead has a button that says View eBook, it's an electronic book or ebook. Click on the View eBook button to view the ebook. You can read the ebook online by clicking on the PDF and EPUB options. Ebooks may be in either of these formats or both. No download is required. If you want to download or borrow the book for offline reading, you'll need to sign into your MyEBSCO account in the toolbar at the top of the screen, or create an account if you don't have one. If you need help with this, ask a library staff member. Here's how to tell if a reference you find in a works cited list or bibliography is for a book. Book citations include the author's name, the book's title, the place of publication, the publisher, and the publication date. Sometimes only a single chapter is cited, but the title of the complete book will always be included. When you've found a book that seems relevant to your research topic, there are several parts of it that you should look at. Start by looking at the table of contents. See if any chapters are especially relevant for your topic. Most of our ebooks have tables of contents available online. Click on the Table of Contents link at the left-hand side of the eBooks page. This will take you further down the page to a hyperlinked list of book chapters and sections. Next, read the book's introduction or foreword, and its concluding chapter or afterword. These sections will give you a good idea of what the book is about, and whether it will be useful for your research. Find the book's index and see if it mentions your topic or any related subjects. If it does, look at the pages where they're mentioned. You should also look at the book's references. They'll be in a section that may be called References, Bibliography, or Works Cited. It includes all of the material that the author used in writing the book. References can lead you to other books, journal articles, and primary sources on your topic. If the book has no index or reference list, it's not written for a scholarly audience and will be less useful for your research. If you're having trouble finding books on your topic, here are a few tips. You may be looking for the one perfect book that will give you all the information you need. The reality is that there is usually no single book that will meet all of your research needs. Instead, you should be prepared to look for and use material from several books. Each one will cover your topic from a different viewpoint, so your research will be richer. If you're finding too many books, or no books at all, try narrowing or broadening your search. There are lots of videos that can show you how to do this. Finally, if you're doing advanced research, you can use library search to find books on your topic at other libraries. Click on the Books icon, then open the drop-down menu and select the Libraries Worldwide option. If you've already done a book search and want to expand it, find Library at the left-hand side of the screen and click the box next to Libraries Worldwide. Click the Interlibrary Loan button to request books that aren't in Elmira College's collection. Remember that only print books can be interlibrary loaned. If you still need help, ask a library staff member.